High up in a quiet mountain village, where the clouds kiss the peaks and the air smells of pine and wildflowers, live Odu and Benny, two souls as different as the morning sun and the evening breeze, yet perfectly in tune. Odu is the heart of their little wooden cottage, with hands skilled in cooking and gardening. Her garden blooms with vibrant vegetables and herbs, while the scent of her homemade dishes often drifts through the village, making even the birds pause in mid-flight. Benny, on the other hand, is the spirit of adventure. With curious eyes and a mind full of ideas, he's always off exploring hidden trails, building curious gadgets, or sketching new plans for the next wild project.
Hello?
Hello, is this DIYaalo Crafts Studio?
Yes, this is DIYaalo Crafts Studio. How can I help you?
Okay, I would like to order 1 round coffee table and 2 chairs, please.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you very much. Oh, wow!
Amazing!